So this is a quick video about an amazing tool I have been using for the past weeks. And this is maybe more of a shout out to the creator of this tool. It's called Gling, and basically it's a tool to remove all the silences and all the bad takes in a video that you shot automatically, quickly and easily. And why I give a shout out to the creator of this tool, because it's free. And doing this guy who created this is empowering so many content creators out there. There is an option though that every time you use it, you buy him a cup of coffee, which is basically a tip. So I highly recommend that you do that because we need more people like him. His name is Seifi. I hope I pronounced that right. So there's a Discord for this tool. You can go into that Discord. You can interact with him. He is amazing. He is highly responsive. And now let me take you through the amazing tool that he has created. So basically here, if I go to my computer and pick up a video I have recorded earlier and just drag that video and drop it on the tool. So you can see the tool already captured that video, and here you can decide if you want to remove bad takes and silences. So either you remove it or keep it. So for me, I want to remove both silences and bad takes. You hit continue and the tool will do its magic. Now, the interesting thing about this tool, and I know there's paid tools out there, but those tools don't do what this tool does, which is transcribe the whole clip. And then you can actually read into the text and the words spoken and make your edits within the tool natively and then export an XML. We'll give it a minute to load here, but basically now it's doing its magic and it's loading the clip, transcribing the text. So you can see here, it did its magic, transcribe the text, and you have it all on one screen. So on the left, you can see the transcription and you can see the grayed out text is basically what it cut, and the dark black one is what it kept in. So it identified through AI probably the bad takes and the silences, and it took it out. And decide what you want to keep and what you want to take out. The interesting thing also, you can remove actual words. So even if there's a sentence that stayed in and there's a word that you decided later you want to take out, you can simply right click on it and then click cut. And it will cut that word only. And it's so good and so smooth when you see the results. Once you're done, you can actually also see a preview of the video with its cuts on the top right side. Let's check the one that I created now. When I'm not working, you will find me pursuing a variety of hobbies and passions. I am an avid reader who's devoured more than 100 books in the last 6 years alone. I have been also practicing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu since 2007 and recently earned my first degree black belt. And as someone who loves capturing... So you can see it's already there. And now you can simply go to the export tab and check one of the options that suit you. So it has Final Cut Pro, Resolve, and Adobe Premiere. And you can even take the video straight out of the tool itself. So he did an amazing work. And the cherry on the top is you can get a subtitles SRT file out of this directly. And you can use it in your subtitles when you're doing your YouTube video or whatever tool you're using. And it works with multicam. So he didn't leave anything out of this tool. It's amazing and it's free. So let's export it to the Final Cut Pro version. I use Final Cut Pro. So please buy him a coffee, because developers like this guy, like Seifi, are the ones that support small creators like us to have an easier life doing content and growing our channels or our social media presence. So I will import the XML file Gling created for me and let the magic happen. And by the way, this video was created using Gling. So once you do the import, if nothing changed in the timeline, don't worry about it. You will find an event, new event created, new project created, titled Untitled Gling. Double click on that and you will see the clean cut of your project. Let's check some part of it here. Well, I can work under stressful conditions and I'm really good with people. Oh, and I have amazing leadership skills. There is no I in team. You name it. Perfect job. So with this, a big thank you for Seifi, who created this amazing tool. Please go use it. It's a powerful tool. It will get you so much time back in your workflow. And don't forget to buy him a coffee. Share your comments in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.